Hi, I'm Marvin, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skills to supercharge your work with AI. We've all been there. A new mandatory training or onboarding module lands in your inbox. You're staring at a dense 50-page slide deck and trying to find the time to absorb it all. What if you could turn that passive reading into an active, efficient, and interactive learning session? Today, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to master any new material for your job. Let's say I need to get up to speed on a new internal policy. I'll create a new notebook and upload all the official training or onboarding materials. With my sources loaded, I'll turn to the Studio panel on the right side of my screen. This is my creation toolkit. I'll click on the Reports button and select the Study Guide option. In seconds, NotebookLM generates a concise summary of the most important information, so I review the information efficiently. Now that I have my study guide, it's time to internalize the key terms and concepts. This is where the magic happens. In the Studio panel, I just click the flashcards button. NotebookLM automatically identifies the key terms and definitions from the training documents and turns them into interactive flashcards. It's a powerful and effective way to ensure I actually remember the important details from the training. Finally, how do I confirm that I've really understood the new material? To test myself, I'll head back to the Studio panel and click the Quiz button. This transforms my passive reading into active learning session. NotebookLM instantly generates a multiple choice quiz based on all my sources. I can immediately check my understanding and walk into my next project with total confidence, knowing I've mastered the material. Not only can you use NotebookLM as your personal AI study partner, but you can also share notebooks with your team members to help them onboard and study. Try creating onboarding documents with a study guide, flashcards, and quizzes to help your team members ramp up quickly. Or try creating internal training material based on the latest industry research, competitive landscape, or policies and regulations affecting your team. Check it out at notebooklm.google.com. Ready to get started? Now it's your turn. Earn your badge by completing the challenge. Thanks for watching and have fun.